To add videos to the playlist, there is an Add Video button here. But before that, we first set the file type for the videos you want to add. Right now, I am adding songs, so I will select the songs here and click on the Add Video button. Here is my folder from where I want to add videos, and I will select them from here. One important thing to keep in mind is that whenever you want to apply the final rule, you should list it from here. Here, it will be easier for you to view. The file name will be displayed along with the file type, followed by the add sign, and these are the songs. After that, it will show which movie or album it is from. Then, when you add it, the part before the add sign is the title, which gets added automatically, and after the add sign, the item after the add sign is our subtitle, which the software automatically shows as the subtitle. This is because when the information is displayed while the video is running, and the graphical info is shown, the title appears on top and the subtitle appears below it, making it look neat and organized. It seems that's why this is done. Now let's save the songs. Now, if you want to add a movie file, simply select the movie option here. You will do that and add the movie file here using the Add Video button. In this way, you will have multiple videos in the playlist, and it will be easier to differentiate which file is your movie and which ones are news, etc. This file type option is given so that you can easily identify the files. The one shown in green color means the file is currently playing, and the next one is the file that will play after it. If you want to do anything with any file, you can select it accordingly. If you want to play it instantly, just double-click on it, and it will start playing here. This button here allows you to add an entire playlist that you have already created. If you want to add the full playlist here, you can do so using this playlist button. The playlist will be added here as soon as you click on the Add Playlist button. All the playlists you have created earlier will be shown here. You just need to click on the playlist you want to add, and it will be added here. If you make any changes and want to update them after saving the playlist, the Update button will appear here. This is our play button to play the file, a pause button to pause it, a stop button, and buttons for previous and next to navigate through videos in the playlist. Content. Here, it shows the name of the list or the total duration of that list. It also displays the number of files present in the list. The module that is currently running is running from the playlist, so here the playlist is shown in green color. When any schedule is fired, it will show here as schedule, and when any commercial break is fired, it will show here as break. This is the video preview button. When you click on it, you'll see a preview of the video content. You can see the information here, right? You see the title is coming here, and below it, the subtitle appears. So the title is displayed here, and the subtitle is shown right below it, like this, etc. The information keeps showing continuously. There are 3 types of preview available here. If you want to see it in small size, this is the small size, then there is medium size. If you want to resize the preview, you can switch to medium size by clicking the M button. And if you want to see the preview in large size, you can click the L button to enlarge it. To close the preview, click on this button here. In the preview, if you want to check the sound, this is the button to enable or disable the sound. It is provided here. The button given in the corner is Delete Playlist, which you can use to delete all the content at once. All the files will be deleted with a single click of the button. Now, if we want to load a playlist, and we have already created one earlier, then we will click on the Load List button to load it. And we had created it with the name New Songs, so the playlist we created will get loaded again. This will refresh it. This is the Refresh button. If you want to refresh any activity, you can do it from here. This is our File Copy button, and this is the copied file. This is the Paste File button. If you want to copy some files within the list, you can do it by holding the left mouse click like this. You will drag and select the files you want to copy. Once selected, click the Copy button. Then you'll see that the files have been copied successfully. The files have been selected. Now, if you want to paste them below a specific file, go to that file's position and then click the Paste button. I will paste the files. Now the files have been pasted. After that, I will click on the Update button to save the changes. This is My button. If you want to delete any selected file from the playlist, use this button. And if you want to delete all files at once, use the Delete All button. This button is used to delete a single selected file. Suppose these are the files, and you want to delete this particular file, you will use this button. If I want to delete a selected file, I will use this button, and the file will be deleted from the playlist. This is to change the order of files in the playlist. If you want to move a file up or down, select the file and use the Row Up or Row Down button. You will use this to move the file upward. And if you want to move it down, you will use the Row Down button to move it downward. To change the file position within the playlist, you can use these two buttons. If you want to rename the file, its title, subtitle, or change its file type within the playlist, you can do that here. So you select that file and click on this button called Metadata. This will open the metadata window, where you can change the file type if needed, and from here, you can rename it. You can give the subtitle here. And then update from here. You will see that the file we renamed there has been renamed successfully.